It seems the dream to replace the modern day motorcycle is heating up. And if you guys remember, about a month ago, we did the features of the Kawasaki futuristic hydrogen-powered concept bike. That's still very far from production. And now Volonaut has taken things even further with what might be one of the most insane concepts we've seen so far. They have come up with a jet-powered flying bike with no spinning propellers that they are calling it the Airbike, and it's being marketed as a super bike for the skies. There's not a lot of confirmed information available about this bike, and the internet is left split between two sides, those who think it's real and those who are convinced it's just good CGI. Online speculation suggests it might use a single jet engine with a flight duration of around 20 minutes before needing refueling. But let's get into the few features they have listed on the website. Usually jet engines are known to be very loud, but in the clips we don't hear any sounds close to a jet engine, which has left some people skeptical. They edited the videos with soft cinematic background music, which might be a move to trigger emotions associated with the Star Wars universe and maybe in the process to wow investors with emotion rather than noise. But also I think if someone was flying a jet-powered machine through a quiet forest at such a low altitude, you'd expect to see at least a few birds flying away because of the noise. But at least we can see some branches reacting to heavy gusts of air. And in one clip you can see some white smoke coming out, and also it's cool how the dust is being blown away in this clip. As of now, there's no a lot information on when this flying bike will be available for purchase, or how much it will even cost. But just out of curiosity, how much would you be willing to pay for something like this? According to the Volonaut website, we only see a few features which have been disclosed so far. The first one, which we have already talked about, is how the Airbike is powered by jet propulsion and designed to carry a single person at speeds of up to 200 km per hour or 124 miles per hour. That alone sets it apart from every other flying concept vehicle out there. Instead of using propellers, which are bulky and dangerous in tight areas, the Airbike uses a jet system, allowing it to fly in confined spaces with ease. This opens up the possibility for city commuting or navigating between obstacles. You could easily ride it through alleyways with ease and without the fear of crashing. From the website, we know that the stability and control of the bike come from its proprietary stabilization system, which is supported by a flight computer. This allows for automatic hovering and makes controlling the Airbike supposedly intuitive and beginner-friendly. The riding position has also been uniquely designed to give the rider a 360-degree unobstructed view, helping them quickly feel connected to the flying machine while delivering a sense of complete freedom, something no regular motorcycle or drone-based vehicle can offer. When it comes to weight, the Airbike seems to be very light. They claim that they used advanced carbon fiber materials, extensive 3D printing, and a minimalist design approach, which has resulted in the entire bike being 7 times lighter than a typical motorcycle. Given that a normal motorcycle averages around 275 kilograms, that would put the Airbike at around 39 kilograms, which could result in some stability issues. That kind of weight could be helpful in portability, where you can carry the bike from place to place. But also in terms of performance and energy efficiency, assuming the engine doesn't guzzle fuel too quickly. The project comes from Tomasz Patan, the Polish inventor behind the Jetson 1. He's kept details under wraps, only recently pulling the Airbike out of stealth mode.